Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about comments. So let's start. Here you can see perfect explanation about comments inside Python. So comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments start with the hash symbol and Python interpreter will ignore them. It can also be used to prevent Python from executing code. Good comments explain how and why. Here you can see several ways to create a comment inside Python. In the first line above the hello world print statement, we have created the comment. So how we know this is a comment? Simply anything right after the hash symbol we can consider as a comment. Here also right after the welcome print statement we have also created a comment. In Here you can see we have created single line comments in multiple places. So let's get back to the Visual Studio Code to try this out, this kind of comment styles. To try out the comments, I'm going to create a new file inside my project directory. So I'm going to name it as a comments.py. Then press enter. Here I am inside my comments.py file. Let's create our first comment. To do that, I am going to start my line with the hash symbol. Right after the hash symbol, I am going to write start of the program. Then I am going to write a hello world print statement in here. So also we can write a comment right after the print statement like this. Finally, I am going to write single line comment in multiple places. Let's say this is the end of our so this is a multi-line comment. Here I am going to show you good practice when writing comments. So I am going to clean these lines, also this line and this line. Let's write one more comment like this, hash symbol. Then I'm going to write this kind of sentence. This prints hello world in the terminal. Even this is a comment, this is a bad comment because this comment explaining what this code is doing, but it is unnecessary because anyone who read this line can understand what this code line is doing. So this kind of comments unnecessary and we should not write this kind of comments. So when we are writing comments, we need to try explain how and why instead of explaining every and each coding line. So this is for today guys. Thank you for watching.